What is up, YouTube? It's Rapid Scratcher back at you, and today we got another 5 packs of Shining Fates. 5 of them. And go jump right into it for pack number 1. See if we can get anything good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We've got a Fighting Energy, Thwacky, Floatzel, that guy, Grookey, Spinarak, Shinx, Horsey, Yanma, Reverse Hollow Rare, I think it's a rare, nope, just Reverse Hollow, Cramorant, and we got the Hollow Rare Thievul. No first pack magic. Okay, pack number 2. Common cards are always like the same every single time. I think I did 4, yep. Lightning Energy, Rusted Sword, got Luxio, Thwacky, Cacnea, Choodle, we got Spinarak, Cufant, Glossifer, and we got a Reverse Hollow, nope, just a Reverse Hollow, Thwacky, and a Rare Celebi. Oh, third pack is the Charizard pack. One of our last videos that we did of Shining Fates, we did a Charizard pack, and that first Charizard pack we had the full art Shining Charizard in it. So let's see if we can't do it again. Eevee, Nickit, Horsey, Snom, Morpeko. We did get a full art double V shiny. And we got the Dreadnought rare. Okay. We did get a full art, not the one we wanted, but 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Lightning Energy, Rotom, Floatzel, Rusted Sword, Snom, Grookey. We got an Eevee, Morpeko, Choodle. We got a Rusted Shield, and we got the Bird Keeper full art trainer card. Awesome. I love my trainer cards. Okay, oops. Okay. 5th and final pack here. Oh, a couple cards about. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, look at that, man. Okay. Got a Grass Energy, Gym Trainer, Luxio, Dartrix, got a Morpeko, Coughing, Glossifer, Cacnea, Choodle. Oh, we got a Galarian Corsola, and we got the Crobat VMAX. We got 4 hits on this one. Okay, let's reveal these. We did get the VMAX here, the Baby Shiny, a double V, and we got the Bird Keeper full art trainer card. Beautiful set of cards there. Awesome pulls. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did, please like and subscribe. And until next time, guys, peace out.